days when you're just sitting at home, not doing anything at all. And you're so bored that you read the little ingredients and warnings on the back of the Germ-X containers. Ethyl alcohol. Warning. For external use only. Keep away from fire or flame. Do not use. This is one of those days. But besides the fact that I'm extremely bored during the summer, I wanted to share with you that I'm really excited about going to camp this weekend. So yeah, that's what you get when you put boredom and terror together. A really weird video about her being really bored.